Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Today we are learning ayah number 153 of Surah Baqarah. A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Ya ayyuhalladhina amanu ista'inu bis sabri was salah. Inna Allah ma'as sabirin. Yeah will be four counts long. Yeah. Ay. Hamza is a sharp sound. It should be from your throat. The sound is very short and attached with ya. And ya will get sifa of nabar. Nabar should be very much clear about over here. Ay. When you are attaching hamza with ya, this is the time where you are creating nabar, and nabar is a jump of sound. Ay. You for dhamma, circle your lips, and the sound is very short. Hal. Ha is short here, attached with lam. And for fatha, open your jaws. The sound is very short on lam. La. The is two counts long. Make sure you engage the right makhraj of dal. The na is short. It's two counts long. You are pronouncing hamza from your throat and alif from your jaw, from a vacuum of your mouth and throat. Ma is short. No is two counts long. So make sure you circle your lips. Manu. I'm sorry. It will not be long. Yes, it will not be long because this is attached with the letter coming up. When a long vowel is being attached with the sukoon coming up, that the long vowel will be dropped. So now it's not amanu, now it's amanusta'inu. So that will be short. The noon will be directly attached with seen, nus, and seen will get safid, it will get sifa of raqawa. The sound should flow very well. Amanusta, that is short. Two counts long, and ain should be from your throat very clearly. Amanusta, that is short. Two counts long. No, two counts long, because this is part of long vowels. Bis, for kasra, give e sound. It shouldn't be dropped while you are attaching with sod. Bis, and sod will get sifa of rakhawa. It is heavy letter, and it is a safi letter too. So there should be a whistle. It should be heavy, and the sound should flow very well. Bis, and then it is attached with ba, and ba will get qalqala. Bisabe, making sod heavy. Be careful not to make ba heavy. So ba is always light. So bisabe, swabe, ri is short, and ra is light over here. Was, for fatha, open your jaws, attach with sod, and sod will get sod is a heavy letter. Sod will get sifa of rakhawa, and it has a whistle sound. Was, so is short. La. What you're doing over here, uh, whenever you find circle ta, and you are giving sukoon on it, then this ta will be changed into ha. And this is mad arid lisakun too, because you are giving temporary sukoon at the last letter, and you found two counts long vowel before it, which will be changed into four counts because of the temporary sukoon. So was in, for kasra, give e sound. Hamza is a very sharp sound attached with noon, and in, and there is a hunna. You're keeping the sound in your nose for a longer period of time. In. Why? Because meme and noon, whenever these are with tashdid, will get complete gunna. So you are keeping sound in your nose for a longer period of time. In Allah, whenever you find lafz jalala, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's name, and before Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's name, you find fatha. So uh, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's name will be heavy. Inna Allah, for fatha. Open your jaws. The sound is very short. Ma, short. um, as ain from your throat and attach a sword. Sword will get the sifa of rakhawa. It is a heavy letter and it will get sifa of safir. The whistle sound should be there in sword. Ma'as. So is 2 counts long because we consider this standing fatha as a complete alif. So it will be 2 counts long. So B is short. Ri, and noon will get sifa of tawassut at the end. You are giving temporary sukoon because of the waqf, and before temporary sukoon, if you find long vowel, it will be changed into 4 counts because of this temporary sukoon. So this is called mad arid lis sukoon. Inna Allah ma'as sabirin. يا أيها الذين آمنوا استعينوا بالصبر والصلاة إن الله مع الصابرين. سبحانك اللهم ربنا وبحمدك أشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت أستغفرك وأتوب إليك. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.